Diksha Gajanan Samant, resident of Kandivali city, Mumbai district and Maharashtra state, studying in first year at Nirmala Memorial Foundation, College of Commerce and Science, Autonomous. Happy to be the part of online elocution competition conducted by Gandhi Research Foundation on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti 2025. I would like to speak on the topic conflict with truth and non-violence in life. We all know that truth and non-violence are the two pillars of human values. Truth means being honest, standing by what is right, and never hiding the reality. Whereas non-violence means choosing peace over anger, kindness over cruelty, and dialogues over distraction. Both values sound noble and perfect. Yet, when we try to practice them in real life, the conflict often arises between them. Let us think carefully. If we always speak the truth, sometimes it may hurt others. For example, a harsh truth may wound someone's heart or create tension in the relationship. But if we avoid telling the truth just to maintain peace, we are no longer honest. Here begins the conflict between truth and non-violence. Should we hurt someone by telling the truth, or should we protect peace by hiding it? To understand this, let me share a short story with you. During Mahatma Gandhi's childhood, Mahatma Gandhi once stole a piece of gold from his brother. Feeling guilty, he wrote a note to his father confessing the truth. His father, instead of getting angry or punishing him, read the note and the tears rolled down his eye. He simply embraced young Gandhi with love. This act of forgiveness and non-violence touched Gandhi more than any punishment ever would. That single moment became the turning point of Gandhiji's life. Here it tells us that non-violence is the power for transformation. The story shows us something important. Truth without non-violence can be harsh, and non-violence without truth can be weak. But when truth and non-violence walk hand in hand, they create a harmony. Gandhiji himself believed that the truth was the ultimate goal and non-violence is the path to reach it. If the truth is the destination, the non-violence is the vehicle by which you will reach your destination. Even in our daily life, we face such situations. Imagine your best friend is making a serious mistake. If we will tell him the harsh truth, we may lose our friendship. But if we remain silent, avoiding to hurt him, this mistake will continue, which will harm him. What is right way? The answer is to speak the truth, but the gesture must be loving and non-violent. In this way, the truth is correcting the person and the non-violence is healing him. Friends, in the modern world of conflict between people, communities, and even nations, most of the conflict arises because of truth is manipulated and non-violence is forgotten. If we truly wish for peace, we must learn to balance both. A truthful world without violence will be just a compassionate world. Mahatma Gandhi once said, non-violence is the greatest force at the disposal of mankind. It is the mightier than the mightiest weapon of distraction. And he also believes that there is no God higher than truth. These words remind us that the truth and non-violence are not enemies. They are just the two sides of one coin. So, my dear friends, let's remember truth gives us direction and non-violence gives us strength. Truth is the light and non-violence is the warmth. Together they make a bright and peaceful life. This is what non-violence and truth is for. Thank you.